Hello, traders, investors, and blockchain enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel where we bring you the hottest news, in-depth analysis, and real projections about the Web3 cryptocurrency universe and the future of the digital economy. Today, we will talk about a trend that shows how Ethereum is regaining its place on the radar of large institutional investors. According to the CoinShares weekly report released on May 19th, 2025, cryptocurrency investment funds had another strong week with a total inflow of $785 million. And the highlight was precisely Ethereum. The second largest asset in the sector by market value received $205 million in new inflows alone last week and has already totaled $575 million in net purchases since the beginning of the year. This shows that the interest in ETH is not just speculative. There is a real change in sentiment on the part of large players in the financial market. In this video, we will explore why Ethereum has made a strong comeback in investment funds, what impact has the Petra update had on this recovery, who is buying and where is this capital flow coming from, and whether you should pay attention to this movement if you want to understand why ETH is gaining strength among global funds. Keep watching until the end. Ethereum stands out with inflows of $205 million. In the last week of May 19, 2025, cryptocurrency investment products recorded their fifth consecutive week of capital inflows. The total was $785 million in funds, reaching a new annual peak. Of these resources, $205 million were specifically directed to Ethereum. This number is important because it shows a change in market behavior. While at the beginning of the year, many investors opted for Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, there is now a renewed interest in Ethereum, driven by technical changes and greater maturity of the network. Why is interest in Ethereum growing? According to the CoinShares report, this new wave of confidence in Ethereum is linked to two main factors. The first is the recently launched Petra upgrade. It brought significant improvements to the network, especially in terms of scalability and energy efficiency. This has increased the attractiveness of ETH for investors looking for solid and sustainable technology. The second factor is the appointment of new co-CEO Tomasz Stańczak, who has experience in decentralized finance and protocol management. Many see this as a sign of institutional strengthening within the Ethereum ecosystem. These elements together are helping to restore confidence in ETH as a key asset for the future of Web3 and the decentralized economy. Where are investors getting in? The United States continues to be the largest hub for inflows, with $681 million invested in crypto in the last week. Germany also showed strength with $86.3 million, while Hong Kong saw its largest capital injection since November 2024 with $24.2 million. These figures indicate that global optimism for Ethereum is growing, including in key markets in Asia and Europe. In addition, the figures also show a full recovery of the market after the outflows of almost $7 billion that occurred between February and March 2025, when the price underwent a significant correction. Institutional market on the rise. The increase in inflows into Ethereum ETFs and other funds shows that the institutional market is increasingly mature. Investors are migrating from traditional gold and fiat assets to digital currencies backed by real technology, and Ethereum is well positioned to ride this wave thanks to its unique features such as smart contracts and DeFi support. Furthermore, with reduced transaction fees and improved technical performance of the network post-Petra, ETH is becoming an even more interesting choice for those looking for diversification beyond BTC. Where can the price of Ether go with almost $575 million in inflows year to date and a favorable macroeconomic scenario? Experts are revising their projections for Ethereum. Some analysts are already pointing to potential upside above $4,000 in the coming months, especially if the ETF movement continues to heat up. This may seem high, but remember, Ethereum is not just a currency. It is the engine behind thousands of dApps, smart contracts, and DeFi projects. And the more it is used, the more value it tends to accumulate. Ethereum is back in the spotlight with $205 million in inflows in the last week and $575 million year to date. ETH is proving that it has not lost its relevance. The Petra update, combined with the inflow of institutional capital, is bringing back interest in the project. And this is something that all investors should keep a close eye on. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell to receive notifications whenever we release content about cryptocurrencies, market analysis, and future financial trends. Leave a comment. Do you believe Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin in this cycle? Or would you rather keep your focus on digital gold? Until the next video, and remember to invest wisely, always learn, and keep your assets safe.